Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking. And here's my 2015 Freightliner Coronado, and we're going to be doing front shocks. These are Monroe shocks. Here's the stock shocks. So first off, what we need to do is, you don't have to lift the truck or anything like that. Just get you this is a 1 1/4 or 1 1/8 socket. We have a 1/2 inch electric impact, and then so I don't have a 1 1/8 inch wrench with me. I'm going to use this crescent wrench to basically hold the backside. So we'll just, there's 2 bolts or 2 nuts, one down here, and there's a bolt and nut up here. You gotta zip those off, and then we will put the new shock in its place. We'll open it, take a look at it, see what I'll show you what we're dealing with. So obviously what you're going to do is leave this on, and then when it comes time we'll put it in place and cut this band at the last minute. But yeah, let's get this off. Just get the crescent in place. I'm just going to break this loose. Alright, now the top is loosened up. We're just going to go and loosen up the bottom here. Got a little dirt in there. We're just going to unscrew these alright, so that's off. And as you can see, I'll show you here. So here's a shock, and we're pushing this down pretty easy. So it's a good thing that we're replacing these, because they're pretty shot, and they were leaking. That's where all this residual dust and fluids coming from. You can see the dirt sticks to it. So we got the bolt and nut out from the top, and then here's the bottom. We got the washer, and then here is the nut and washer for that. And then what you can do, just slide this guy out like so, and then make sure you got the right orientation. Make sure the top cylinder goes in the top side. It's not rocket science, but I can see someone might mix that up. Slide the new one on like so, turn it, or I guess we can put it on like this, like so, and then turn that. What we're going to want to do is have this ready so that when I let this this tension go, I can hurry and line this up and slide it into place. So basically I'm gonna get my knife in my hand, then go down here and cut this. Or actually, I guess I could push it down and take this off of here. Alright, so I'm just going to push this down. And then slide it into place like that. Alright, and then now we'll just we'll cut this thing off later. Put this on, put the nut on, screw it back on. Take the other nut, put it on the back side of this bolt. We'll go ahead and tighten these up. And we'll tighten up the there we go, that one's tight. Then we'll tighten the top one. All right, so there we go. There's a brand new shocks, or one shock on the truck, and we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. There's the old one until it's worn out. There's almost little to no resistance on this. It's you can just push it down like nothing. So that's how you do shocks on your most semi trucks are roughly the same. And this is on the 2015 Coronado. So yep, new shocks, and then we'll do the other side and just repeat this process on the other side. But all right guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.